Alright guys, this is your boy Tyrese the Greasy here, and I'm changing spark plugs on a 2002 Mazda Protege 5. Okay, first you'll need your spark plugs, your 10-inch socket ratchet. I'm going to take out the ignition coils over here. Take these things out. Okay, that's one pack. Oh, this is my face, you know, this is how I look like. You know what I mean? So, okay. Oh my God, okay. Great. So, here, I'm gonna take out these two plugs here. One, two. Great. So now I'm gonna pull out all of these plugs. There we go. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna keep them like this, you know, to show like, okay. Sorry, not plugs, these coils. Oh my God. Okay, I'm gonna show them and keep them like this, so at least, you know, it's all laid out, so I don't, like, you know, put one here, you know, all that stuff, you know, mix matches. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a ratchet, this extension, and a 5/8 socket. So make sure, yeah, 5/8, you know, ratchet, socket. Good, how are you? And then what you're gonna do is take out each individual coil. Sorry, plug. It's gonna take a while, so okay, you know, I could do this. I don't know if you could see. So, one plug. I'm just gonna keep, I'm gonna keep it right there, you know? Just to know it came out of that plug. Sometimes you don't want to get these stuck in there, because if you get the socket stuck in there, that's a problem. Or a plug stuck in there, that's a problem. There's 3. 4. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna get your spark plugs, you know. Now usually they come already gapped, right? If you want, you can gap them some more. For this car specifically, it's 0.044 of millimeters. Yeah. So the thing is, all right, you see, new ones. And for these old ones, as you can see, there's brown around. I don't know if you can, ow, it's a little hot. I don't know if you can see them, it's brown. You know, that's bad. It was getting old, you know, car was running a little lean. So that's why you see the kind of white tip in there. So yeah, I already sanded them before, took them out and sanded them, but you know, it's still bad. So it was running lean, but it's okay. So I'll take one and put it right there. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna do it for all 4.